Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Wednesday, September 8th, 1999, 10 am. My child, I would love my son and you to be truly brought together. That would be positive. The medium says, I do not see how that could happen since I don't attend seminars anymore. Try to be imaginative. Think of modern means of communication. The medium says, if my head was less tired, I would have tried to force myself and study the means you are alluding to. I would make that effort for you, but where would that lead us to? To telling him that you share the same love which does not harm in any way your love for him, even if it is different. That he is your master, quite simply. Babuji. Thursday, September 9th, 1999, 8 am. Yes, one day you will be in the limelight by my side. You have yet some way to go, but this outcome will be the logical result of all this painful and loving process. Your heart calls us unceasingly, and even if this love were not shared, it would end up moving us. Nothing is impossible to love. It is the master of the universe. To engage in its wake is the best means of overcoming Maya and all the barriers it creates in this world. Remain protected in this cocoon, my child. We keep a close watch on it and see to its effectiveness for the progress of your soul. Be strong to face up to the torments of life. Do your level best with all people and everything that affects you in your circle. A decrease of the physical forces makes you more vulnerable, but you are a strong soul that sails, in spite of everything, towards the goal where we are awaiting you. Should we tell you again that we love you? That is not a simple formula. You know it. Therefore, this love, you should carry it inside you like a protective jewel. That's all. Rest, Babuji. Thursday, September 9th, 1999, 10 am. Please note down, it is very beautiful, that which you wrote a very long time ago. It is so right. Why do you want it to remain hidden? Share it at least with your teammates. The three of you always have this reserve that tenses you up. Take Jean and Michelle as models. Their spontaneity is touching. Take a step in that direction. For everything connected with the divine, the beauty of one's soul is not revealed too much. Don't be rigid. Open up yourself completely to love and enjoy it. Your heart will not be able to contain its joy anymore. Babuji. The medium tells the poem. The medium says, a country, a fatherland, I have none. My fatherland is the universe, the whole creation. How could I limit myself to the particular, to the grain of sand which I am in the infinity, whereas you are everything in everything, oh my God. Playing for a while on this earth the role you assigned me in this world of illusion where you are the only reality. I await my last hour to go and be lost in you in the ocean of your love forever. Khan, 1985.